Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wisdom of the ages. Today we delve into the teachings of the Stoics, ancient philosophers who valued virtue, resilience, and inner peace. In this video, we'll discuss 9 powerful lessons for life from a Stoic perspective. So let's get started. Lesson 1. Focus on what you can control. Stoics believed that we should focus our energy on things within our control, rather than wasting it on things beyond our influence. By accepting this, we can find peace in any situation. Lesson 2. Embrace change. Life is full of change, and the Stoics understood this well. They taught that by accepting and embracing change, we can adapt and grow stronger. Lesson 3. Practice mindfulness. Stoics emphasize the importance of living in the present moment. By practicing mindfulness, we can fully engage with our experiences and find joy in the simplicity of everyday life. Lesson 4. Cultivate virtuous character. The Stoics believed that cultivating virtuous character was the key to a fulfilling life. By focusing on developing qualities such as wisdom, courage, and justice, we can become the best version of ourselves. Lesson 5. Practice self-discipline. Self-discipline is crucial for living a fulfilling life. Stoics believed in exercising self-control over desires and impulses, leading to a more balanced and content existence. Lesson 6. Accept impermanence. Stoics recognize the impermanence of all things. By accepting this truth, we can find peace and appreciate the beauty of each moment, knowing that everything is transient. Lesson 7. Face challenges with resilience. Stoicism teaches us to face challenges head-on with resilience and courage. By viewing obstacles as opportunities for growth, we can overcome adversity and become stronger individuals. Lesson 8. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for cultivating happiness and contentment. Stoics encouraged us to appreciate the simple things in life and find joy in every moment, no matter how small. Lesson 9. Remember the fragility of life. Lastly, Stoics believed in the fragility of life, reminding us to seize the day and make the most of every opportunity. By embracing our mortality, we can live with a sense of urgency and purpose. And there you have it. 9 valuable lessons for life from a Stoic perspective. We hope you found these teachings insightful and that they can bring more peace and fulfillment into your life. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more wisdom from the ages. Until next time, stay stoic